Good morning, teachers and classmates. My name is John Ortiz. This is my activity in speaking about the health and technology. Welcome. Good morning, Administrator Logistics. Here you are going to learn things, processes inside and outside of the distribution center as well as identify container, their part and the location, technology and the trees validate. Schedule for purpose. Pre-node objects activity. Definition on the distribution signers. Goals. Containers. Collaborate activity. Abbreviate activity. Conclusion. Bibliographic reference. Purpose. With this tutorial video you will learn the definition, characteristics of the distribution center and its interrelation with the management of the supply chain. Pre-knowledge activity. All this space you can find learning activity that explores previous and current knowledge. Distribution center. And distribution center is a logistic space where a main entrance department and goods distribution for the train, goods, wholesaler or retail. Main objects. A distribution make easy prepare order. Their precision and the efficient placement on stock. All of them in favor of being able to exchange advantages. Pares contain. Traceability and location collaborative activity. Here we have an evaluative activity. Conclusion. As a conclusion, the design of the distribution center may easily the distribution cycle, good and location, making competitive advantage. Warehouse management allows directing and controlling paired with technology, barcode, and radio frequency. The goods, resources, and flow in their warehouse, even from their location in the containers. Bibliographic reference. Thank you.